How to make a Spotify artist account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can make a Spotify artist account, so make sure to stick with me till the end. So if you are a Spotify artist and then you would like to publish your songs, for that you have to create an artist account. And in order to do that, first of all, you can open your browser, go to artist.spotify.com. Otherwise, what you can do is you can open up your Play Store or your App Store, and then you can also simply search Spotify for Artists inside over here. So when you select Spotify for Artists, you also have the app, but just to create an account for now, I would just recommend you use the browser. Once you're on the browser, what you can do is just first of all log into your normal Spotify account, which is your normal account you use to listen to songs and so on. So once you go ahead and select a normal account that you want to log in with, you'll be able to log in inside of this, where you'll be able to see different sort of options here, right? So over here, what you need to do is, as you can see, it says claim an artist profile. So if you already have music on Spotify, you can get access to stats, page tracks for our editors and more. So tap the continue option here, select, make sure that it is the right Spotify account, tap the next option. Now simply select or paste the Spotify artist URL. So if there is already an artist available, you simply want to type them over here, and once you've done that, you simply need to actually claim the artist profile if you want to become an artist. And once you claim the Spotify artist profile, you'll be able to create your Spotify for Artist account. This way you'll be able to make Spotify for Artist account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.